Hi everyone, it's Jay from Mitosu Crafts. Thank you for joining me today. We're an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrators based in the UK. So if you live in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, and the Netherlands, you'll be able to purchase any Stampin' Up! Products from our online shops, and the link for the products will be below. So today I'll be sharing a card using the Stitched All Round stamp set along with the frosted frames die, so I thought I'll bring that in and update it with the new frosted frames dies from the autumn winter catalog. And I'll be creating a fairly simple card, but it's got some die cutting on it, and I have pre-die cut most of it. So the frosted frames comes with 5 dies. So it's got some lovely framed image there with snowflakes and flourishes, and again you can cut the frame for the middle bit, snowflakes and some more flourish in there. So I have die cut that already in Bermuda Bay for the big frame, a couple of the flourishes from the from this, so I die cut that twice in Granny Apple Green, so that gave me 4 of those. And also the middle frame for the topper. That one is on Whisper White. And I have a matte in Early Espresso, which is, I've got my measurement somewhere, 10 centimeters by 13.5, or that's 3/15/16 of an inch by 5 and 5/16 of an inch. And you have the card base, which is 21 by 14 folded in half at 10.5, or that's 8 1/4 by 5 1/2 folded at 4 1/8 of an inch. So as I said, it's gonna be fairly quick and easy. I will put that on there and then start building my card. Right, let's get some Tombow. And I might as well add this on before I do some stamping. Actually, I'm gonna stamp on that one. So from the stitch shapes, let's do that one. We have the crisscross design, and I'll be stamping the sentiment on the Whisper White as well. Okay, so I have Witch Rustleberry, and I'm just gonna go around randomly and then just stamping that around to create a bit more interest. There we go. That's it, and that's gonna get covered on top anyway, so you can just see the hint of the crisscross design. And for this main one, I'll stamp in Blueberry Bushel, and it's the Enjoy Your Special Day. Let's hope it should fit. I tried it earlier. So tap, tap, tap. There we go. And that is all stamping. So that's just gonna get put on there. All right, let's make this up. I'm just trying to keep it nice and straight, but you can have it a little wonky if you prefer. And I'm just gonna add dimensionals on there. Ooh. I have, this was pretty die cut beforehand, and we're just using our excess or offcuts. That's painted harvest right at the bottom there. And I've kept it quite sparingly with the dimensionals, so I can slot the flourishes in, which you can just slot those in. And these ones actually coincides with the, it mimics the some of the frames there. So if you want to, you can put that on and have that mirroring or on top. And to finish it up, I've got the copper trim. I'm just gonna add that there, create a bow. There's also the shimmery crystal effects from the autumn winter catalog, so I'm just gonna add that on. So when you're applying this, I would keep it in place. It's quite thick, so keep it in place and then lift it straight up, and then that should go down in itself. There we go. Stitch all round card with frosted frames dies with just the sentiment as a topper, and then the die cuts decorating the card. If you'd like to purchase any of the products that I've used today, links will be below. You could also join our team, the Mitosu Stampers, and save on future craft supplies by joining Stampin' Up. Okay, thanks so much again today. Until next time, bye!